Hello friends, this is the Tunisian knit stitch. For this tutorial I'm using a 6mm Tunisian crochet hook and a lightweight yarn that if I was going to do a normal crochet I will probably be using a 3 or 4mm hook. For this sample I'm going to be working over 15 stitches. I'm going to start with a slip knot and chain 16 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 16. Now we flip the chains to work on the back bump here and do our foundation row. If you don't know how to do the foundation row or the Tunisian simple stitch, go ahead and watch my first video where I explain all the basics of Tunisian crochet. After we complete our foundation row, we are going to skip this first vertical bar here and work on the second stitch here. For the Tunisian knit stitch, we insert the hook in the middle here towards the back of our project. Like for the Tunisian simple stitch, we would insert our hook here inside this front vertical bar, but for the knit, insert the hook in between the front vertical bar and the back vertical bar here, like this. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Insert in between the front and back bar here, yarn over and pull up a loop. Make sure you're inserting your hook in the middle of the front and vertical bars, not in between stitches, okay? Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Insert the hook in the middle, yarn over, pull up a loop. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. For the last stitch here, we have one bar here and another here. We are going to insert our hook here, so we have these two vertical bars on top of our hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we are ready for our return pass that is exactly the same as for the Tunisian simple stitch. We yarn over, pull through one loop for the first stitch, yarn over, pull through two loops, yarn over, pull through two loops, yarn over, pull through two loops until we have just one loop on the hook. That's essentially it. Let's do another row together. So we skip this first one here because actually our first stitch is this loop that is on our hook. We insert our hook in between the front and back bars here on the second stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert the hook in between, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop. This type of stitch curls up a lot, but if you think yours is curling too much, you can go up on your hook size or down on your yarn size to kind of control it, but it is going to curl anyway. Okay, return pass, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. As you can already see here, the result looks very similar to knitting. I just love that you can mimic the knitting fabric with crochet, because I find it very hard to work with the two knitting needles. We just need to work with one hook here. And I love that. This video was made as a supplement for my Tunisian crochet turban kit. The link for these patterns are down below if you want to check it out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!